After completing these three properties definition, let's try to work further. Now my next target is calculating the volume of the brick. This is what we have actually studied last time. So how to go for that? A very simple logic. I can make a duplicate of this also. And this time I'll just make sure that the name I'll change as a volume. Okay. And the data type will be also volume. But this will be get defined from the expression. That means I'm going to use these three properties. I'm going to multiply them uh, and then I'll get the volume. So it's not going to be a fixed value. So I'm going to say expression. Moment I click on the expression, obviously you will have a choice to write some formula or expression over here. Okay, and that can be get combinations of these functions. There are different functions. Of course, we are going to use them, few of them, not all of them we can use. But I'll show you how to use and how to implement. Then later you can study from the help file of ArchiCAD. Definitely you can find out various examples they have provided, or from the net also you can get the information and you can implement them as per your need in your project. So right now what we are going to do, we are going to see parameter and properties which I would like to contribute or use. And for that, these are the different possibilities which you can use for extracting the information and utilizing them further. At our current example, we are more interested to work with the brick quantity option, which we have started working with, and the length of the brick, width, and height. These are the three things. I can't use this because this is what I'm using right now. I'm defining, so don't click on this. So I can just double click every time, and you can see this is getting added over here. And then once these three properties are added, I'll just try to close this. And now what is the problem? It's you can see here he says that it's a syntax error in expression. uh, Click the button to jump to the last valid character. So if you click over here on this button, he will show you that okay, here the error is supposed to be. Of course I have to apply some multiplication sign because that is what is needed. So here if you check out, these are the operators, and add, subtract, multiply. So these are the things out of which one will be utilized right now. Of course it's going to be multiply. So if I click and just use this way is also okay, but every time I have to click and then I have to do, even I can hit multiply sign from the keyboard, and you can see now this function is successful. So this is what the revision, as I say, up till the last topic. Okay. Now from here, I have to further fine tune this. The reason is now this was a simple plain brick volume. Hmm? So if you want to develop the brick volume with mortar, that is going to be something different. So what we will do here, I'll add one more property. So I'll just try to see a duplicate of any existing, but the length option. Okay, so it's related to mortar, and that can be the fixed value of 10 mm. So again, it is getting utilized for the wall. Now I just have to pull this and take it down so that this is how this mortar group starts with. And what is the end product, or what exactly we are expecting? That if I start adding this mortar value in the length, width, or height side, that will be actually the volume of the brick which I'll be subtracting, which I'll be using to divide the volume of wall so that I can get the number of bricks as a correct or precise value. Getting my point? Of course, you will get the end product on screen and then you will realize, okay, this is a very simple task. So, okay, let me see okay for this for a while. everywhere. Okay. And what is my aim? What exactly the aim is supposed to is nothing but this is what we are now going to talk about. We are actually going to add this 10 mm mortar on all the sides so that the volume of the brick will not be the plain brick volume. Instead of that, it will be the volume along with the mortar. And that volume I am going to use to divide the mean volume of the wall. So the number of bricks which I am talking about, I'll get the exact figure or nearer to this at least. So this is what is the end product I'm talking about now. Complete this much of step and then follow the next clip.